This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Fuing Fawn. Open house Sunday, September 19th, 1 to 3 p.m. Come and discover this charming cul-de-sac colonial home with 4 beds and 3.5 baths in Hidden Creek. This home has tons of great features you don't want to miss. New roof, 2 years old, with gutter guard installed. The driveway will has new paving this October. Open concept main level with separate dining room, tons of natural light living area and spacious eat-in kitchen with new granite countertops, looking out to a serene backyard. Upper level has 3 large bedrooms, a hall bathroom and a laundry space. The master suite has 2 walk-in closets and a luxurious private bath with oversized corner tub, walk-in shower and a dual sink vanity. Basements has huge high-ceiling family room, perfect for entertainment or at-home gym. Laundry is at this level. Community pools. Close to Starbucks, shopping, dining and major commuter routes. Select home warranty, platinum care.